What do I need to do to enable crossplay in GTA Online?
Hello, GTA enthusiasts! In today's video, we're going to cover one of the most requested topics in the Grand Theft Auto world, enabling crossplay in GTA Online. Crossplay can greatly enhance your gaming experience, allowing you to play with friends, regardless of the gaming platform they're using. Let's dive right into the steps.
What is crossplay?
Crossplay or cross-platform play is a feature that allows gamers on different platforms, like PS5, Xbox Series X, or PC, to play together. However, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, GTA Online does not officially support crossplay. Please check Rockstar Games' official announcements or updates for the most current information.
Can we bypass the limitations?
While it's disappointing that crossplay isn't officially available, the community has come up with several creative, though unofficial and often risky, ways to bypass these limitations. These methods are not endorsed or supported by Rockstar Games and could lead to permanent bans or other penalties. Proceed with extreme caution.
What are the alternatives?
Since the crossplay feature isn't available and bypassing the limitations could lead to severe penalties, you might wonder what alternatives exist. One option is to play on the same platform as your friends. If your friends are playing on PS5, consider joining them on the same platform to enjoy the GTA Online experience together. While we all eagerly await the introduction of crossplay in GTA Online, it's important to play within the rules set by Rockstar Games. After all, maintaining a fair and fun gaming environment is the priority. Stay tuned for more GTA Online tips and tricks, and, as always, happy gaming!